In a world dominated by screens and constant connectivity, there's a power often overlooked, the power of unplugging. Meet John. Like many others, John is constantly connected: emails, social media, work meetings, news updates. The digital noise is deafening. One day, John decides to unplug. He sets aside his devices and steps into the real world. Suddenly, he hears the rustle of leaves, the chirping of birds, and the laughter of children playing nearby. He finds time to reconnect with himself, to read a book he's been meaning to cook, to meditate. John realizes he's more productive, more relaxed, more present. He understands the power of unplugging. So, why not give it a try? Switch off your devices for a while. Reconnect with the world around you. Discover the power of unplugging. After all, life is a lot more than work.